We have heard from many narrations and from scholars, and it has been written in the Islamic books, that we must keep the masjids clean. We regularly go and attend the masjid. Now, why is it important that we keep the masjid clean? Let's listen to a narration and look at the blessings of keeping the masajid clean. A woman, she used to pick up the splinters from the masjid, meaning the small little splinters in the masjid. She used to pick them up in order to keep the masajid clean. When she passed away, news of her burial was not given to the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. When he sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam was told about her death, he sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam said, when someone from amongst you passes away, inform me. Then he sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam, he performed salah at her grave, and he said this, that I have seen that woman in Jannah, and the reason for this is that she would pick up the splinters from the masjid. Subhanallah azza wa jal. Look at this, just by a small action of picking up the splinters from the masjid, picking up the small little dust within the masjid, subhanallah azza wa jal, she attained Jannah. So keep this in mind, that the minute things that are mentioned, the little things in Islam, that their reward, it could be such that you could be entering into Jannah. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.